City Life Nature Skizbanga TV.
City Life Nature Skizbanga TV, man. I gotta bring them some food. I'll feed y'all tomorrow or something, man. You know what I'm saying? I got y'all. Figure out what y'all like. You know what I mean? Give y'all some food. Skizbanga TV, Start 'em Now Spotlight, City Life Nature. I think the bunny wanna smoke. That weed smell got him stuck. Skizbanga TV, Start 'em Now Spotlight. Skizbanga TV. What you sensing? Oops. City Life Nature Skizbanga TV. Start 'em Now Spotlight. High level lectures coming soon. Skizbanga and Lil Strong Man. As the physically weak man can make himself strong by careful and basic training, so the man and weak dogs can make him strong by exercising himself into right thinking. You know, exercising right thinking. And I mean, how let's do Skizbanga life, baby. Let's go with it. All around crowds looked up.
Lay time up.
If they was shot up, I was riding, you know, riding on bed. Got a lot of pain growing up. Big streets, found the child if you changing my way.
This what you want to guarantee.
Was never sweet.
I carry this like I'm on.
Was on.
Take you in back of the building. Make you expose your rage. Take you across the track. Make you explode the face. Now you official now. You got a soul side. I just been cooking that note.
Rest in power, breath in God's not getting pussy.